Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to open a Lloyds Bank account online in the UK. First, open your web browser and go to the official Lloyds Bank website. Make sure you are on the correct website by checking the web address carefully. Once you are on the homepage, look at the top of the screen. You will see a menu option there. Click on the menu. From the list that appears, find and select the option called Current Accounts. You will now see different types of accounts that Lloyds offers. These may include Classic, Silver, Platinum, and other account types. After selecting the account you want, look for the button that says Apply Now. Click on it to start your application. The website will inform you that they may need photos of your identification documents. You will be given two options. You can continue on the website, or you can use the mobile app by scanning the QR code shown on the screen. If you choose the app option, scan the QR code with your phone and follow the instructions there. Next, the application form will begin. You will need to enter your personal details. This includes your full name, your home address, your phone number, your email address, and other required information. Answer all questions carefully and honestly. When asked for verification, scan the QR code if needed and upload clear photos of your ID. You may also be asked to record a short video selfie to confirm your identity. Once your information is reviewed and approved, your Lloyds Bank account will be opened. Thanks for watching.